So in this video, I'll just be breaking down how I made $3,600 trading Micron on August 11th using the indicator and everything we talk about inside of option drops inside of Discord. So let's get straight to it. So as you guys can see right here, this is all my trade executions from August 11th where I took the Micron 860 puts and I locked in $3,600. It was a really smooth trade, honestly. I took 8 contracts in total. I scaled in, scaled out for a really solid trade and really solid, profit on the day. So as you guys can see right here, here's my light speed trade information from yesterday as well, August 11th when I'm recording the video. You can see the trade date. All the same information right here. My entries, you can see I entered around 5 contracts at 1480. I sold 2 at 1740, 960. Scaled in 3 more contracts at 1350 to leave me with 6 contracts in total. Then scaled them all out right here on Micron. So again, just all the trade confirmations if you guys want to see. Been pretty solid few days here, past couple weeks here on Micron. So I'll just break it down and what I've been looking at so far and why I've been trading Micron so frequently. So pretty much here on Micron, all I was looking for is the same thing I look for every single day, the break and retest. Micron's been trading the levels pretty much word for word, bar for bar since I've started trading it, realistically like the last 6-7 weeks. I'm sure it's been trading the levels really well, but I just didn't really focus on Micron. And then once I started focusing on Micron, because I started realizing how good the contracts move, how volatile it is, and also there's lots of room for opportunity, how well it respects the levels. That's why I've really been focused on Micron stock in particular. So I entered in the first 3 contracts right here, or 5 contracts here on Micron. Let's verify it. Yeah, so 5 contracts at 1480 at 8:39 a.m. Central on Micron. So you can see right here, entered in the contracts right here on this candle as you broke below 866, the kilo we marked out. And then the same thing we talk about every single day here, what I was looking for, the break, retest, and push back down to targets down here around 854. So that's why I started scaling out those 2 contracts around 846 and 847. Again, let's go back here. 8:45 a.m. Central, 8:46 a.m. Central. I started scaling out as you started pushing back down to the levels. And that's really all you're looking for on a name like Micron. It trades the levels really well. You get the hold below the key level, and you trade down to the next level, and that's exactly what you're looking for every single day here on a name like Micron. And why you can't be getting greedy, you can't be getting over aggressive, especially in a market environment where you're just kind of chopping sideways back and forth, not getting too much continuation or follow through. You have to be taking profits at key levels and not getting greedy and trying to overextend yourself. But because I was already up about $740 here at Micron, as you started bouncing back up to, again, the same level you marked out with the indicator, 866, you push back up here to 866. I entered in 3 more contracts right here as you started getting back below view up around 864. Again, you guys can verify right here. 3 more contracts at 9:08 a.m. Central right here. As you got rejected from 866 and started back below view up, entered in 3 more contracts right there. So in the trade, I had about 6 contracts still at this point. Sitting around break even because I was already up about $740. We went red slightly in the final 3 contracts. And then the same exact thing happened here on Micron. You rejected from these highs up here, 866. Clear selling candles up here, rejection, rejection, rejection. Big selling candle right here as you got this 865 rejection. Look at this, inverted hammer candle at the kilo we marked out. And then again, just smooth selling back down the lows around 854, the key level marked to the indicator. Again, we can see the executions right here. So I started scaling out 9:12 a.m. Central. I scaled out 3 more contracts around 1620. So let's go back over here. So 9:12 is when we started pushing back down these lows around 854, started scaling out more contracts. And then the same exact thing happened here on Micron. You broke below key level here, 854, break, retest, push back down to the next level, you marked at 847. And ultimately, you got this big lightning candle right here, the clear uptick in volume. So I scaled out all my contracts finally around 9:21 a.m. Central, as you guys can see right here. Scaled them all out at 9:21 a.m. Central. And the remaining contracts went from 13.5 per contract to highs of 24.25. And the final contract I sold at 20.95. Lock in $3,600 here on Micron. It all comes down to what we talk about every single day here inside of this channel, inside of option drops, inside of Discord. Trading the key levels, not getting aggressive, and looking for volume at specific inflection points. Again, I didn't want to hold my contracts down here on Micron. You started breaking below 847 because you got this big uptick in volume, and you got a big, $6 bounce back to the upside as you got that liquidity sweep. Again, where did 847 come from? You may be wondering because it wasn't marked out with the indicator. But 847 came from this low from August 7th here on Micron stock where you dropped at 847. And you guys can see right here, the last 2 days here on Micron, you've got this clear, sweeps down here on 847, taking on liquidity. And so far in the day here on Micron, the following day, you bounce back up to highs of 931, just taking out these lows down here 847 and bouncing straight back up to the upside. So liquidity sweeps, again, people like to trade them on NASDAQ and ES. They also do work in equities. It was a very clean liquidity sweep down there. and just going back down to where I was trading Micron right here on this candle. As you guys can see, as you got that sweep down here, the volume uptick, and that was the bottom for the day and the low on this chart right here at Micron stock. And since then, you're up nearly $90 just based on that candle that came down to lows, sweeping out those lows and bouncing back up. So again, using other things like liquidity sweeps, key levels, taking out lows on higher time frames can be very beneficial. And that's why I scaled out all my contracts right here on Micron again at 9:21 a.m. Central, because you had this liquidity sweep down here, took out those lows at 847, and that's all you're really looking for. Not getting greedy, not getting over aggressive, and taking and trading the lows where they matter and at key inflection points. If you guys enjoyed the video and about how I made $3,600 trading Micron this day, be sure to follow for more trading content as soon as you guys post. Be sure to drop a like, comment, subscribe for the next video. Hey, I'll be back in 4 days. Simple.